Hello there! We are looking at using tree diagrams to deal with some probability problems. Section 14H in the IB Math Studies book if you're following along at home. So we have the situation where two students are practicing free throws in basketball. We have Maisi and we have Tomas. Maisi has 80%, Tomas has 60% free throw percentage, and each do a free throw. So we're making a tree diagram. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat it as if Maisi goes first and then Tomas. Even if they're at the same time, that's a good way to break it down. So we have two possibilities. Either she makes it, okay, she succeeds, or she fails. This is Maisi. Okay, now we also know that she has an 80% free throw percentage, so there's an 80% chance that she's going to succeed. We're going to represent that as a decimal, 0.8, which means that if she doesn't succeed, she fails, so it's a 0.2 here. Okay? So this is Maisi. She either succeeds or fails. Now, then we have Tomas, of course, either succeeds or fails, and he has a 60%, so we're going to call this 0.6, 0.4, 0.6, 0.4, okay? And this is all Tomas. I don't have enough room to label it. Sorry about that. So now we want to figure out all the possible outcomes, okay? So all we have to do is go along here and figure out success, right here. And again, when we have two events, we multiply, right? So 0.8 times 0.6, okay, that's going to be 0.48. 0.8 times 0.4, that's going to be 0.32. 0.2 times 0.6, that's going to be 0.12. And 0.2 times 0.4, right, that's going to be 0.08. Okay, so those are the probabilities of each one of these situations. So there's only an 8% chance that they will both fail, okay, or there's a 48% chance that they'll both succeed. Alrighty, so what is the question asking? What's the probability that Maisi makes her free throw and Tomas misses it? So she makes hers, Tomas misses his, so that's a 32% chance there. So the answer is 32%. Okay, so I think you're ready to give this one a shot here. Here's your problem. Go ahead and read that, pause it, and read that, and press play again to get the answer. Okay, so you're back. There are 8 girls and 10 boys in the primary school classroom. 4 of the boys are having pizza, 4 of the girls are having pizza. Fabulous. 8 girls and 10 boys. So we have girls and boys. Okay. Now, out of a total of 18, this is how many? That's right, this is 8. So out of a total of 18, so this is 8 out of 18, and this is 10 out of 18. See that? Okay, so of the boys here, 4 are having pizza, and the other 6 are having a sandwich. So, of the 10 boys, 4 are having pizza. 4 of the 10 are pizza. 6 of the 10 are a sandwich. Pizza, sandwich. Okay. Girls, similar situation, but it's 4 and 4. So this is 4 out of 8. And this is 4 out of 8. Okay, pizza, sandwich. Okay, so we're going to figure out the possibility that a randomly selected student is a girl eating pizza. Girl eating pizza. So girl eating pizza ends up being 8 over 18 times 4 over 8. So you could just multiply that out. I don't know, what is that? That's the same as 8 times 9 is 72, but it's times 2, so that's 144. So again, in math studies, you don't have to simplify the fraction. That would be fine. You could also say these cancel here. This cancels with this, and this is 2 over 9. So it ends up being 2 over 9. Either one of those is fine, or you could write it as a decimal, or a percentage, frankly. Hope you learned a thing or two. Toodles.